Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you? Hi.
Okay. Oh, you don't want to wait there.
No, man. Yo, I'm tired. I'm ready to go. Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Hello. Well, we opted for glue because I told her that I didn't want to have, oh my god, can't believe this last glue. I told her that I didn't want to have the bump, so we opted for glue. She had to like sit on top of me, like I was laying down, and she had to like get on top of me to make sure that it was like glued in a way that would be that would result in minimal scarring, because she knows what I do. And I'm like, actually, it doesn't even matter about what I do. We all want to have pretty faces, and I need my face to not be fucked up. So she literally got on top of me and like held it in such a way that it would heal in like, you know, a more seamless type of way instead of bumpy. And I was just like, after she did that, I was like, I've never been in this position with a doctor before. She's like, oh, sorry, no, like, you know. And the nurse was even like, no, she is really trying to seal it in a nice way. And I was like, no, I'm not complaining. Like, you know, I asked her, like, are you married? She's like, yeah, I've been married for 2 years. I was like, okay, well, call me if your man ever fucks up. I don't know, I like her. She's cool. She's a doctor. But yeah, the best part is I also managed to get a prescription for antidepressants, which is great because my psychiatrist is always fully booked. And yeah, I'm feeling my chin is leaking, and she had told me, like, do not open your mouth too wide. My psychiatrist is always, she's one of the best in the country, Shame, but she's always fucking fully booked. Like, I wanted to get a new prescription of antidepressants. They told me she was only going to be available on the 1st of, in the 2nd week of October. What am I supposed to do in that time without my meds? Do you know what I mean? So it's really annoying because it's like, you've diagnosed me, you've seen me, and you've prescribed me antidepressants, but then she only gives you a prescription that lasts a month, basically, like. And then when your antidepressants are done, you have to go back and see her again to get another prescription, which doesn't make sense to me, because it's like, why do I have to keep seeing you to get the same thing that you literally prescribed to me? It's a money-making fucking sham, and she costs like 2.7 a session. So I must pay 2.7. Thank you. I must pay 2.7 every month to go and get a prescription for the same thing. Like, you've diagnosed me with depression, chronic anxiety, ADD, and borderline personality disorder, and I have to come to you every month and pay. No, it's actually not 2.7. That's my therapist. It's 3 something to go and see the psychiatrist that I see, just to get the same thing. Like, it's a money-making sham. So I said to the doctor, because she's like, anything else? And I was like, dude, I actually need a script for antidepressants. Not only did she give me a script, she gave me a 6-month script. I can now get antidepressants for 6 months without having to go and see my psychiatrist. It made my day. I'm so happy. I wanted to kiss her, you know, but, you know, she's my doctor, she's married, but I wanted to kiss her, you know. So yeah, I have a Zoom at 2, so I just figured I'd come and eat, get on my Zoom, because it's not like I can go home and sleep, because I'd have to wake up at 2, because the Zoom is very important for a campaign I'm doing. So I was just like, let me come and eat, and then I'm gonna get on my Zoom while I'm here, and then I'm gonna go home. Hello.
How are you?
How are you, sister girl?
Good. I don't want to be featured, but I'm always featuring. Anyway.
You're always featuring anyway. You don't want to come say hi.
It.
You love it. Come say hi.
Hi, Rita here at Guilt & Co. Love you.
Love you. can I please have a strawberry daiquiri?
Strawberry daiquiri.
Please, and tell them to make it quick. And then please tell me I can order breakfast, please. You see, I'm injured. I need breakfast.
What happened?
I fell down the stairs.
It's okay.
It's okay.
All right.
An English breakfast, then
Breakfast, and how do you want your eggs cooked?
scrambled. I actually want them scrambled. Yeah.
And toast, sourdough, rice.
I don't want bread. And then, do you have beef sausages?
It comes with beef sausages.
Okay,
I think.
perfect. Yeah. Thank you. My body is so sore. That's such a scam, bro. Hitting on the doctor. Honestly, I had to hit on her. Like I said, when she was on top of me, I was like, I actually don't mind this feeling, you know. And she's always saying stuff about, like, you know, like referencing like my job, and you know, I think she watches the show that I'm on, not Born into Fame, like Newsish, you know. Because the first time I went to her is because I like had tonsillitis, and she was just like, yeah, no, you know, like this week, take it easy. I know it's your job to talk, but like kind of take it easy, whatever. So today when she like literally straddled me and she was like there doing my chin, I was like, girl, you know, back into the doctor's room, and I was like, oh, you married? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, how is it? She's like, you know, it's marriage. It's like, how long have you been married? And she was like, yeah, you know, 2 years. And then as I was leaving, she's like, I'm going to stalk you now to make sure that you're not talking too much, because I'm not supposed to be speaking, like, or opening my mouth too wide until the glues, you know. And then I was like, okay, while you're stalking me, let me know if your man fucks up. Shawty. You didn't get a stitch? No. It's glued. I got it glued. I'm so hungry, guys, like, honestly. And you know, sometimes hunger needs a restaurant. Like, you can be hungry, but then when you go home, you don't eat the way you would eat at a restaurant. I don't know if it makes sense, but like when I feel like this, when I'm like a bit babalazed and I'm tired and my body feels like it's eating itself, I need to go to a restaurant, because if I eat at home, I don't really eat like that. Like, I need nourishment. And my battery's low, so I'm actually gonna have to move to a table that, yo guys, even my hand is swollen. Like, I've got this cut here, and then this part of my hand is swollen. So many tattoos reminds you of Jojo from Real Housewives. I love Jojo. I knew you were going to a restaurant. I know, guys. Like, I hope my mom and everybody in my life doesn't be like, Shamiso, why are you at a restaurant? Because I got a doctor's note. They told me to be off work. Wow. They told me to be off work for the entire week, because they're like, well, the doctor was like, I wouldn't advise that you wear makeup. But the thing is, I have to be in Bloem on Friday. I have a gig in Bloem. So I don't know if I'm just going to like apply foundation around it. But by Friday, I'll be in a better state than I would be now, you know. So yeah. And then Thursday, I have something to do for YFM. And also I got a tetanus shot, by the way, because she's like, you fell down the stairs, so just in case, I got a tetanus shot. So yeah, I fell down the fucking stairs from the doctor's office straight to a cocktail, because honestly, guys, like, I'm not gonna be able to drink around people that actually care about me this week. So I might as well at least get a drink when I'm by myself, before the people that care about me are going to be around me scolding me. You guys have no fucking idea how strict the Muslim man is. Anyway. I wonder what you were drinking. I was drinking gin, which is why I guess I'm not hanging as bad, because I didn't mix or anything. Yeah, I didn't mix, but I did have shots, which I shouldn't have had. Definitely should not have had. Yeah. So it is what it is. I was never rushed to Sunday. It was great until I fell down the stairs. Like, I was having a good time. Lady even left, and I was like, no, I'll stay, because obviously I had other friends there, like Tuli, Tapelo, like my colleagues were there. And Lady was like, okay, I'm leaving. Are you coming? And I was like, are you gonna go home, or are we going to a restaurant? And she's like, no, I'm going home. I said, bye. So you know what I mean? I was just like, maybe I should have left, you know, Because even today, a lady was like to me on the phone, she's like, Shamiso, you stress me out so much. You honestly give me so much anxiety. Like, because you just have this air of chaos about you. But it's like, I don't know how to be any other way, guys. I honestly feel like no matter how much I grow and mature, which I have a lot, there's always going to be an air of chaos about me. I'm just naturally a sort of lightly chaotic person. Like, you know what I mean? It's just always like, I'm one of those people where it's like, oh, there's something else with you. Even my mom was just like, dude, because I sent my mom pictures of my chin before. I put it on my close friends. If I had to show you guys how much I was bleeding last night. But my mom was just like, Shami, there's always something, like, are you okay? Why is this, you know? And I'm just like, that's just me. I'm a Gemini with borderline personality disorder. Like, what do you expect? You know? What would I be without you, my love? Truly. Just know if you felt you had a time. I didn't fall from being drunk. You almost lost teeth. I really did. So hungry, I don't know what this Indian is waiting for. Who's this Indian? Lady will leave with you next time. She really will. I think it's Gemini thing. Geminis are definitely chaotic. Like, 100%. We're the most chaotic of the zodiac. Hey, mama. Sure, my God, guys. I just want to eat. Like I said, I have a Zoom at 2, but at least we still have an hour together, guys. And I told them, like, I don't want to show my face on Zoom. And they were like, we understand. Because I sent them pictures of my chin last night. And I was just like, no. I used to love watching. That Jen said I'm feeling entitled and I'm invalidating his feelings. Listen, men used to take pride in dying. Men used to be born to serve, to go to war and die. It was an honor to go and put your life on the line. And now men are talking about invalidating their feelings because you want some money. No, I'm not having it, personally. All men must serve, all men must die. Thank you. We really are chaotic. Oh yes, you are Gemini as well. Thank you. Did your mom scold you? She's like, you have to stop drinking. I'm like, it has nothing to do with alcohol. Okay, maybe it has a little bit to do with alcohol, but like, I could have tripped sober. I literally remember the moment where I felt myself go forward because I tripped over that honey's foot. So, I hikey saw that gag coming. Honestly, how do you deal with your BPD? Do I look like I'm dealing? No. Like, so, no, honestly, no more falling, okay? We don't want you scarred everywhere. Truly. The doctor glued me up, gave me some shit for pain that apparently I need to take at 5 p.m. because it takes a while to kick in, but apparently once it kicks in, you're out. She was like, forget about it, forget about work, because you're not even going to be able to wake up nicely in the morning. You might wake up at like 11. And then she gave me something, yeah, this is the pain stuff. And then yeah, she also gave me an ointment for the scarring, for when this falls off. And then she also gave me something for my jaw, because my jaw hurts a lot. And she was touching me here and she was like, it's clicking. So yeah, she gave me something for muscle spasms. So yeah. And then I would prefer it to be on my forehead and not my fucking chin. Like, I already have problems in my chin, on my chin. And then, no, this way telling, thank you. And then, like I said, I got my prescription for antidepressants. I'm so excited to be fucking back on. This shit makes me eat. It helps me sleep. It helps me stay calm. I don't care. Everyone in my life is always like, yeah, but you shouldn't have a dependence on it. Like, antidepressants or like any other medication. You take medication when you're sick, and then when you feel better, you stop. I don't care. I want to be on antidepressants for the rest of my life, because not that I want to need them forever, but I appreciate how they make me feel. So, can you see the ointment for scarring? You know you drive me crazy, girl. I'll be a cannibal for your face, you gorgeous. The hell? What kind of compliment is that? But thanks. Ointment for scarring is this one. Scar Science Gel. you know. Just reminded me of the Hard with Lotto where she says, how do men want a traditional woman but have never built a house with his own two hands? Honestly, men have never gone to war. Like, what do you mean? Please heal well. You could never live a life with you speaking this, truly. My jaw literally, like, I can feel it now. It's clicking like in and out of place almost. Why is this drink taking so long? Stop demonizing medicine. Some people really need them for as long as they feel they need it. Like I said, everyone in my life is like, no, you shouldn't be on antidepressants for long. Why are you going back to get a prescription? You're fine. And it's like, who are you to say that I'm fine? Like, I'm fighting for my life every day. I'm fighting suicidal ideations every day. And like I said, I have multiple disorders that affect my mood. ADD doesn't only affect your concentration and your thought processes, but also your mood. And I still present myself as a consistent person. Like, I'm not like a moody person. I'm not grumpy around people, but like, you don't know what's going on in my mind, you know. And she's like, today's men should submit to us, yo, for real. The antidepressants I'm on are Olexa and Lexamil. I've never been on anything else, so those are the ones I suggest. But if you're gonna start with antidepressants, the first fucking few days of me taking them, I literally couldn't even work. I could not form sentences. My speech was fucked up. Like, my brain, because obviously it's all of these artificial sort of like hormones in your body, because it bumps up your what's the happy emotion? Is it serotonin? Bumps up your serotonin and lowers other things. So at first, like the first 4 days, I was fucking out. And then I got accustomed. You seem like you love being around people. I actually don't. Oh, I do, but only for a certain amount of time. Like, yeah. Depression will click in. It's actually not even funny. I actually feel, the most depressed at late at night or first thing in the morning. That's first thing in the morning. I feel the most anxious. Oh, I can feel a clump in my hair, and I just know it's blood, dried blood. You know you drive me crazy, girl. What's that song again? Oh, it's K.O. What's the song? What's the name of the song? I need to listen to it again. Do you read a lot? Not as much as I used to, and not as much as I should. I love books. I love reading. Dopamine. Thank you.
Thank you. So I managed to get through the process.
Oh, thank you so much, Nam. Thank you. It fucks up your whole psyche. It's insane. Dopamine. But I don't think it ups your... Is it dopamine? No. But like when I started taking... It's not dopamine, guys. Surely it's serotonin. If some person to ask, do you overthink like this? Your brain doesn't shut down. I overthink all the time. That is my only form of thinking, is overthinking. I overthink. I'm very sensitive to people's moods, and the slightest change in mood starts to make me feel somewhat unstable. Like, I definitely overthink. And to fall asleep at night, I actually fantasize about sex, because that's the only time I can make my brain think about something, but not think about something heavy that's gonna make me not sleep. So every night I fantasize about sex. It ain't dopamine. Like dopamine, it is serotonin. Exactly. Dopamine is known as a feel-good hormone. It gives you a sense of pleasure. It also gives you motivation to do something when you're feeling pleasure. Dopamine is part of your reward system. I don't know what it ups, but I think maybe it has something to do with dopamine, because antidepressants also up your appetite. And I think it ups your appetite because it ups anything that will make you feel good. So we all know that eating makes us feel good. Having nice things, desserts, and food is a form of comfort, pleasure, whatever. So it ups your appetite because it ups your desire for things that up your happiness, So every night, yes, every night. Urbanals, one antidepressant I prefer, just that you'll be drowsy. Yeah, antidepressant also makes you sleep. Like if you take your antidepressant, you must be in bed and ready to slumber. Actually, for dopamine is one of them. So, oh, okay. How did the doctor go? It went well. Can't believe I've got 2 chin scars now. Really, like really. Thank you. Girl told me the same thing. She said the only time she don't think is during sex. Yeah, and it's like I'm not a fucking sex addict, but like I said, if I want to fall asleep, because I overthink and my mind is always running, my mind is always awake, I'm always feeling some sort of like stress, I just think about sex before I sleep. I fell down the stairs yesterday, and no, I didn't get stitches. I didn't want the bump, so she glued it. Meditate. I can't meditate, I fall asleep. My battery's low, and I'm thinking, where am I gonna sit and charge? Because my battery's actually on red. Like I said, I have a Zoom at 2. Is it safe to call you Scar, Lion King? I really don't mind Scar, like, it's a dope nickname. I also don't mind Scar, the character. I just wish they didn't make him look so raggedy. Like, he could have been a dope villain. Like, he was so slender, he was raggedy. Do you know what I mean? Like, obviously Simba was like, not Simba, Mufasa. Yeah, obviously Mufasa was better looking than him, and I just wish Scar was a better looking villain. You know, the drink must be bussing. I'm literally fighting a hangover, and my whole body is in pain. My teeth, I'm surprised they aren't loose because they feel like they're not in my mouth. Like, my arm hurts because of the tetanus injection. My hand is swollen. Like, so I've got a bruise here. I've got bruises on my fucking hips. Like, my hips are not even bruises, scraped. It's sore when I touch my stomach and my pelvic area. I've got bruises on my thighs. My thigh is actually swollen. Like, I can feel a bump. Like, I'm in hell. I see you coming to Bloom this weekend. Yes, Bloom seems to be the place for me. Like, it just keeps happening. Get yourself those devices that allow you to charge. Anyway, just forgot what it's called. A power bank. Yeah, I need to get a power bank. I have a power bank, but I need to get a power bank that is suitable with the iPhone 15, because the power bank I had said, like, my phone was like, this device is too large for, or whatever. I don't know. But I need to get those power banks that you put at the back. Did you roll when you fell? I don't remember, but I think I fell forward, so I felt like I was tumbling, and then just boom. Or next thing I know, take a pain tablet, you'll be fine. The pain tablets I can't take now because it's gonna knock my ass out. And like I said, I have a Zoom at 2. So, and it's like, it's a Monday. Like, you know, I hate when, like, you're actually having a rough time, but it's like a work week for everyone else. Like, people have bosses. Their bosses have told them to get on a Zoom with me. Do you know what I mean? And they must now go back and be like, you know what I mean? So I really hate giving excuses, and that's why sometimes I work even when I'm not in a position to. But yeah, I have the Hawaiian power bank and it charges fast. Maybe I must go buy a power bank Konamanje at the shopping center. Can I get a power bank at Incredible Connections? You fall in front of a crowd? No. Thank God. Are you in pain right now? My whole body is fucking sore. You like Fanta Orange? Fanta Orange is cool. I do like Fanta Orange. I prefer Fanta Grape. I wish more restaurants, like, not restaurants, but like fast food places, like when you order KFC and stuff, had Fanta Grape. I like the fact that Muchachos has Fanta grape. I'm just lazy to go to Incredible Connection. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can leave out the bread. I know you want.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm just lazy because then I'd have to like pay the bill, go to Incredible Connections, get the power bank, come back. But I might need to do that because my battery's not gonna last, and I want to be live until I have to be on the Zoom. So I don't know why I opted to get this bag, because I feel like this bag, out of like LV bags, this bag looks fake. But I think it's because a lot of people have, or not a lot of people, I know a girl who bought a fake bag like this, and now I look at this bag and I'm like, this looks fake. Like, it's actually not, but it's because I actually wanted to buy sneakers. I won't lie, I love sneakers. I'd rather have like designer sneakers. But then when I got there and I put them on, I was like, no. So I was like, because I already planned to spend this amount on the sneakers, like I'd already one thing about me, when I wrap my head around something, that's it. So I was like, okay, what do you have for the same price as these sneakers? And then they gave me this bag and I was like, okay, fine. But love you too. Thank you. Aren't they gonna give you a bowl to wash hands? How? Which restaurants which restaurants do that? Look at my favorite concert right now, strawberry daiquiri. No, if you are hungover, guys, like I am mildly hungover, and I still have a headache, even though I took fucking Compro before I left the house, and I don't even, at this point it's not even about a headache. I think it's just my whole face hurts. So, I don't know what I was saying. Oh, I was saying a strawberry daiquiri is great for hangovers. Problem is that the power bank won't be fully charged after buying it, but it will have enough for an hour, so generally need one. I wish I could send like a waitress to be like, yo, like I'll give you 400 rand if you go and buy me this thing, but then I would still have to get off the live, e-wallet them, because there's an F&B by Incredible Connection, e-wallet them. And then, because I'm just so lazy. I'm fighting for my life. Spur used to do that back in the days. Oh, really? Thank you. Hi, Sykes. Where you been at? Why you ain't been in the studio getting interviewed by me? I don't mean the music studio. I mean the MTV studio. Ask them. They'll be up for it. Honestly, I think I'm going to, because I really don't feel like walking. I really don't feel like walking to get a power bank. I think the waitress will definitely go. I honestly think she will. She loves me and I love her. I'm just sad that like it's morning has passed, and so I have to start with the antidepressants tomorrow because I can't take the nighttime one tonight, because you get the same amount. So you have to, like, if I take the nighttime one tonight, there's going to be a day where I have the morning one and not the nighttime one, because you have the same amount of morning ones and the same amount of nighttime ones. But the nighttime one will make you sleep. No filter, please. No. Drunk Shami, such a vibe, according to the snaps. Love to see it. You can see I'm drunk when I do this. When my eyes are low and I'm smiling. Fun fact. I was like drunk in almost all of my diary sessions in Born Into Fame. Like, if you know me, you know I'm drunk. Everyone who knows me is like, dude, you were drunk. But other people were like, what? But I was drunk. That's why I'm like always sitting there and I'm like, so I linked up with Pila and he was just telling me, because I was drunk. But like I said, if you had a call time of 9 a.m. and only started shooting at 9 p.m. and there's a bottle of Hennessy in your dressing room, you would be drunk too. And the Hennessy is there because they know they're gonna fucking take long, and they know that if you are just sitting there for 12 hours, you're gonna complain if they don't make things nice for you. Oh my god, my jaw is so sore. What the fuck? What the fuck is this in my sausage? It's hard. Like, I'll be back in Jersey tomorrow. I'll be in the studio soon. Okay. See you. Yo, live definitely making me hungry as well. Yo, guys. So it's taken almost like BC. What's BC? Yeah, you were lit yesterday, lol. Your food is getting cold. Guys, my fucking 12 hours waiting to shoot, bro. And Mrs. Mobs warned me. She literally said, you're doing reality TV, bitch, you're gonna see. You are going to see how long you're going to wait all the time. But nothing is worse than diary days. Nothing is worse. Like I said, you'll get your call sheet. It'll say 9 a.m. Shamiso in makeup. You get there at 9 a.m. I would go to Dolce Looks first thing in the morning, like 7, to do my hair, so I could be there at 9 a.m. Okay, Shop truly does my face. So 9 a.m. to 10:40, I'm in makeup. Cool. After that, I'm in hair, just touching up my curls, because I had curls a lot. Touching up my curls or whatever. So maybe that took another 40. Now let's say, okay, let's just say we're at 11. No, we're not at 11. We're at 11:30. I'm ready. Do you know how fucking long? Like I said, you just sit there and sit there and sit there and sit there. And you're like, has AJ come out yet? Has Pila come out yet? Has Tank come out yet? Has Awami come out yet? And it's just hours. And then they're there. They're like, oh, we brought you your favorite chicken. Because for me, they ask everyone, what do you want in your room? Like, what snacks do you want? What, food do you want? For me, I always said a thigh and a drumstick. I don't care from where. Muchachos, Food Lovers Market, Nando's, KFC. I need a thigh and a drumstick, and I want green grapes and Fanta grape and Hennessy. That was me. Then you're sitting there and sitting there and sitting there, and the only way to feel like you're not going to lose your mind is obviously then you're playing music from a speaker. They give you a speaker, you're playing music, and you're drinking. But now you're drinking for 8 to 12 hours. That's what I'm saying. Like, when I watch Born Into Fame and I look at my diaries, I'm like, yo, Shamiso, you were drunk. But at the same time, it's like, are you and Wami friends? No. Hi. I'm trying, guys. I'm scared. It's sore to open my mouth. How your makeup be looking 12 hours later? Yo, as a director, I feel your pain, but maybe that's why I'm into corporate gigs. Because, bro, then amount of times Trudy would have to touch up my face because I'm naturally oily. You know what I mean? So she doesn't. Well, I have an oily T-zone. So she didn't just have to touch me up before I went to shoot. She'd have to touch me up because if my nose gets too oily, the makeup will crack. There's times where I've taken naps. Like, there's a time where I literally took a nap. I slept for 3 hours. Makeup and hair done. Where do you know that you can see for 3 hours? 3 hours I slept because I was like, no. So I need to actually ask. Yeah, I'm gonna ask my waiter to go buy me a power bank. Give her a nice 400 rand. Because like I said, I'm lazy, and if I leave the restaurant, I can't be like, I promise I'm coming back. I'd have to pay and then come back, start a new bill. I hope you eat. I'll chew your food for you. Please don't be gross. Oh my god. It's so fucking sore to open my mouth. Like, you have no fucking idea. It is so painful to just go, like, and when they were fucking gluing my chin, like, they were like, open your mouth wide. Okay, now close. Now open it. Okay, close. Because they were trying to get the right position. And I was just like, guys, this is sore. Like, you got any health habits? I'm assuming you mean healthy habits. No, I don't journal, I don't gym, I don't meditate, I don't hike. I don't think I have any healthy habits, to be honest. Like, I'm a real crash out, truly. I want to start gymming though. I honestly feel like I could get hooked on gymming. Like, I feel like I could get addicted to gymming. So I think I want to start doing that. No, they glued my chin. I just said. Imagine your boyfriend offering to chew food for someone on a live. Imagine your boyfriend watching someone's live. Like, why are you on a bitch's live, yo? Like, what is so interesting about that hoe? And I won't lie, like, I'm very possessive and very, what is the word? Unreasonable. Don't you think you need to go get the power bank yourself so that you test to see if it's compatible with your iPhone? Okay, let me eat, drink this, pay the bill, get the power bank, come back. You know, I'll go with you guys. I'm just suffering, like, my body hurts, and like the incredible connections is downstairs. So do you smoke weed? No. Oh, lucky boy, you even know poison. Where did you attempt to? You can always bounce back. You gotta know who is the rock at the bottom. Chill, please. Why must he chill? He's answering a question because he's heard me answer this question before. I don't smoke weed, so I don't know. I don't know how his answer was offensive. As you can see, I'm not eating the bacon on my plate. Okay? I do not eat pork anymore. It took me a long enough time to stop eating pork, but I'm officially here to the point where now everybody knows that about me. Like, Lady and I were at something for work, and we were being ordered a breakfast, and Lady even told one of my colleagues, whoever was ordering food for us, and Lady was like, yeah, but Shamiso doesn't eat pork. So it's even become it's even become something that is known about me. Can you advise, does Incredible Connection sell legit stuff, especially phones? I don't know. Have you ever bought a phone from them? Then I'm also ZCC pork. No more. I'm not ZCC, bro. How much is your Lobola value again? Missed it on the show the other day. Oh, on the Riz with Shamiso. On why? My Lobola value, I don't know, because like I don't have a degree, I'm not a virgin, but at the same time, obviously when it comes to Lobola, being a virgin means you don't have a child. Like, you don't actually have to be a virgin, you just don't have a child. And you know, I'm beautiful, you know, I'm something, man. So maybe my Lobola will be high. So there is an Incredible Connection store closed down, Sham. What? Let me ask this waitress, what is that fucking store downstairs? I have the title deed to my house. I can sell it for you. there still incredible connections down there, or what's that shop?
It was like a cell phone shop.
Yeah, I want to buy a power bank like now before my phone dies.
Okay, there is a place where you can buy a power bank.
Downstairs.
But it's not incredible connection.
Oh, but it's downstairs. Is it
next
the
to
same?
next to Pick and Pay.
Okay, I'll go then, and then I'll come back there. So I'm probably gonna get the bill for this, go buy it, and then I'm gonna come back.
Okay, I'll keep your drink in the fridge. I don't know if you're still going to eat your
Yeah, I'm gonna finish eating, and then I'm gonna. Okay, thank
Then
you.
you're gonna come back.
Yes, thank you.
Well, if you trust me, if you're going to tap, I'm not going to take your money. I'm going to go grab the power bank for you.
I was gonna say, but like I was actually thinking of like, cause hey, there's an F&B on the way down, so I was thinking like I e-wallet you, and then I'll add like 400 extra for you for running the errand.
I am going to run the errand.
Okay, and
Yes,
then
and I'm
tell
gonna
them
get you.
I have an iPhone 15,
Okay.
and I have my cord here, so I don't know which power bank they'll suggest.
I'll go with the code.
Yes, and then I. So you'll get it for me.
Yeah, of course. When it comes to money, I'm your bee.
You are my bee.
Yes.
Okay, Shab. So
Let me get you my phone number.
yeah, please write it down for me.
Okay. Where are you, Rita? Then I'm not doing anything, so.
What do you mean you're not doing anything?
No,
You're helping
I
me.
was just having a bad day.
Oh really?
06141.
Wait, don't say your number out loud.
Oh.
You know, there's some weird men here. Okay, okay guys, wait, hold on. I'm going to
Bless Rita.
yeah, I'm yo. Sorry guys, I was just sending the e-wallet. She's on her way now to get the power bank. One thing about me guys, I don't mind spending money to make my life easier. Like honestly, that power bank might not even, I sent her 1.4 and I was like, the 400 is for you. I don't know how much that power bank is gonna be. Like it might be 800 rand, it might be 600 rand. But the fact that I don't have to get up and go get it, like I'm such a lazy cunt, truly. Hi. Okay, I don't blame that guy for looking at me funny because like I was doing this and then I saw that he was looking at me. So yeah, did you get stitches? No. I got glue. I got glue. I got you, babe. Fuck, even my nipples hurt. I'm sure I grazed them in some way. And you know what would make me feel better right now? Sex. But I'm on my period. I'm on my period. So every part of me is in pain. I am on my period. And I'm relieved because honestly it was late and I was like, what's happening? But you know, you see, low battery, 10%. Yeah, so that's one thing that would get my mind off of things. But it is what it is, guys. I'm going to babe. What happened to your chin? Is that a tat? Yeah, it's a tattoo that's just healing. Birth control. That's another thing I should have asked the doctor for, because after she gave me the prescription for the stuff for my chin, I was like, she was like, anything else? I was like, oh, could you write me a prescription for antidepressants? Anything else? I should have been like, yo, birth control. Yeah. I've never been on birth control in my fucking life. So we're still about your lobola price. It should be very high because you have your own money and very beautiful at that. Thank you. My lobola price should be very high because I do have my own money and I'm beautiful at that. I do love being independent. I was raised by a single mom who gave me everything I could have ever wanted and more. So I have a sort of toxic independence because it takes me a while to get comfortable enough to allow someone to do shit for me. But once I do get comfortable, you should dread the day I get comfortable, ho, because I'm going to be calling you asking for money. You understand? Do not get on birth control. Yeah, dude, like, apparently it's really not good for your mental health. Like, some psychiatrists even said that, like, if you meet a man while you're on birth control, if you agree to marry a man while you're on birth control, like, basically your own decision making can't even be trusted because of the birth control. Like, don't even trust that this man is the love of your life, because that's how much it alters your thinking and your personality and whatever. And then also sometimes some of them give you bad skin. I've never been on birth control. I just trust in Allah and we good. Okay, this is not Allah, but you know what I mean. What made you quit pork? Please get on them, but birth control could make your boobs grow. I need my boobs back. In high school, all my friends used to be jealous of me because I had the biggest goddamn tits you ever seen on a 14-year-old girl. And then now I just don't have boobs anymore. Like, I touch my boobs and it feels like, you know when you put water in a balloon and then you squeeze some of the water out and then the balloon is like floppy and empty. My boobs feel like that. Like, they're not full, you know? It's not good for a reproductive system too. Like, an excessive amount can mess you up when you decide to reproduce. Yeah, no, I don't need that because I do want to have babies. I was actually telling Lady, my kid, I have a kid. Obviously, we all have a list, right, with our kids' names. I want your tits. I'm trying to think if boobs would suit you, Tato. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, I personally, because we were talking about this now that Tato's on my life, we were talking about this at the work function we had last week, Thursday. I personally feel like in life at some point I have to sleep with a transgender woman that's not had bottom surgery, because I'm bi. Imagine looking into the beautiful face of a beautiful woman, but then also getting dick. Oh my god, you are the best of both worlds, bitch. I need you. With you after you're thinking, because my taste in men has been questionable. So reading Bible and fasting together is very good for marriage. I'm not sure about all that. Fasting together, fucking hell, my head is pounding, and like I said, it's not even a headache. I have bruising here, like I can feel, even my chin is swollen here. Oh my god. Anyway, so bro, my wish, truly, imagine, like I said, I'm bi, a beautiful woman with a big girthy cock. Oh my god, my dreams would come true. I'd be absolutely fulfilled. Man took a turn, but I hear you and I'm with you. Imagine like dude, no ways. Why are you here again? This is my spot.
Well, it's becoming one.
Oh really? Yeah, I was gonna say you're new.
Yeah, okay.
You're new. Okay, I've been here long enough. So yeah, like, imagine me just as an example of a beautiful woman. I'm not the only beautiful woman, but I am a beautiful woman. Imagine me with a big dick. Chief, we fucking. As you, My station, have you ever shared or would you share your girlfriend with your man, or have you ever shared your girlfriend with your man? What? No, I don't like my food touching. This is my first time watching you live. I'll definitely come back for more. Okay, this lady needs to come back with my power bank because my battery is on 8%. And luckily it doesn't die fast. Like my phone can be on 1% for a good 10 minutes, but she needs to be real right now. She needs to be real. This is my phone. Oh, I just read that. Ooh. Guys, I'm really dreading this Zoom, but like for me it's like still a weekend and yeah, it's a work day. But after the Zoom I'll probably come back. You know? Need to change my sheets also because the tissue I slept with on my chin last night kept coming off and I was tossing and turning and blood. Anyway. What's wrong? What happened? Ish, dude. You looked so good yesterday at Mia Culpa. Oh, thank you. I never want to go to a pink themed anything ever again. Pink is such a horrible color for clothes. I felt like I looked horrible. I felt like everyone else looked horrible. I was looking for an outfit at the mall. All the items that I found in pink looked horrible. I hate pink in clothes. It's my favorite color, but for items, for stationery, for pens, for notepads. Even my favorite type of flower is not favorite type of flower, but I like pink roses. Do you know what I mean? But pink for clothes, that's horrible, man. That's really nasty work. I don't like my feet touching. Fair fucking point. Truly, like that's what I'm saying. People think when they hear that a woman's bisexual, they think you want to have threesomes and share your bitch with your nigga. Like, no, that's my bitch. That's my dude. I don't like my feet touching. Okay. Not everyone else looked horrible. Truly, they did. But I looked horrible as well. I felt like I looked horrible because I was wearing pink. Like, I'm sorry if anyone was at Never Rush. Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. And my arm feels so heavy. I hate injections, vaccines, whatever you want. What is it? Tetanus shots. Okay, shots. Because the way your arm will feel. Like, how's the plumbing in the house? All sorted? Yes, the plumbers came last week Tuesday. So yeah. And like, I don't know what's up with the plumbing at the house. Obviously, like I said, there is a tree that had grown into the pipes, right? And it causes clogging on a regular basis. It always, the pipes have to be open and the roots have to be yanked out. There was a time when, because I, you know, I'm not big on like, shitting like.
This one works.
Oh my god, thank you.
Thank you.
Ah, did they say it's a bit charged?
Yes.
Okay,
And
thank
then
you.
He gave us a receipt as well. And you got a discount.
Oh, a discount, yeah, but keep the change.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. You did me such a big favor.
No, we need you. Thank you so much. Do you want me to keep this or just in case?
No, let me
Yes,
keep it so
you keep
in
it.
case I need to take it back.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, keep it.
Thank you so much, nah. I appreciate
I
you.
appreciate you. Magwande, man. God bless.
God bless you too. Oh, this, okay, let's see. Okay, and then
It's working.
I think it's on. It says 5L, but I'm trying to figure out. Did they say how to use it?
Is that cable for charging it?
Yeah, because this is the cable for my phone. Okay, now it says 5L. So then,
Then I don't know.
let me try put my phone cable
Okay.
to this end.
I don't want a big one.
Yeah, rather this. Why is it not charging? Oh, it is charging now.
It's charging.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, love you.
No, love you.
Love you loads.
Thank you so much.
Can I please have your, what is it called? Lavender what?
Lavender smoke.
Lavender smoke. And then do you still have your fruit salad?
Can I get the fruit salad?
Fruit salad, please. No muesli, no yogurt, and none of those seeds. Just fruit and honey. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, so I was saying, I'm not, I'm a lady. I will take a shit, and maybe I'll even tell you, like, yo, I'm gonna take a shit. But, like, I'll take a shit, like, in a far bathroom. So my place has 3 bathrooms. My ensuite bathroom for my bedroom, a guest bathroom upstairs for the guest room, and then downstairs. Downstairs is the guest bathroom. Then upstairs, there's another bathroom, shop, whatever. So for me, it's like if homeboy is like, let's say you upstairs, I'll go take a shit in the downstairs bathroom. Let's say we're downstairs, I'll go take a shit in the upstairs bathroom. So the downstairs bathroom is generally my bathroom for like morning shits, middle of the night shits. Do you know what I mean? So I use it the most. One day, I go to work, right? And I get a text saying like, yo, I just woke up and I used the downstairs bathroom. I flushed and everything that's ever been in that toilet since the beginning of time just came up. Everything. When I got home and I saw shit everywhere in that bathroom, in the bowl, knowing that it was predominantly my shit because I shit in that bathroom. Like I said, we have bathrooms, like guest bathroom upstairs, that's homeboy's bathroom. I never take shits in that bathroom. He always takes shits in that bathroom. Always. It doesn't matter. Downstairs, like I could be downstairs, he won't go to the ensuite bathroom. He'll never take a shit in the ensuite bathroom. He'll always take a shit in the bathroom upstairs, the guest bathroom upstairs. Downstairs, guest bathroom, that's my bathroom. And when I got back and I saw all the shits that I've ever taken in my entire life come out and be on the floor and in the bowl and everything, I literally was like, okay, close this door, lock it. I actually don't want to be confronted with this again, and I want you to erase your memory. Then the worst part, and then the worst, oh shit, what the hell did I do? And then the worst part of it all is I had to go out of town for work when the plumbers came. So he had to be there and deal with this and be like, hi guys, here's the bathroom, here's all the shit. I wasn't even there for the plumbers when they came and all of that stuff. He had to explain that, like, it's there. Yeah, anyway, worst day of my life, truly. Like, worst day of my fucking life. Not worst day, obviously, like, but obviously when you're like comfortable with someone, it's whatever, but I was still like, this is too much. This is too much, like, you know. So yeah, I'm sorry, why are you guys eating? Oh, it is 1. And I have 9 more minutes on the live before I have to go onto the Zoom. I'm really dreading it. I hate Zooms. I'd even rather fucking meet in person, because Zooms, then people do presentations, and this is what we're going for. And oh god, thanks for validating my fear of sharing my like, God didn't have to embarrass you, dude. It was horrible. It was truly horrible. And like I said, the fact that I had to be out of town when the plumbers came, and it was the thing like, no dude, it's fine, I'll go, you know, I'll be there when they come, because I was like, fuck, the toilet needs to get fixed, but like, I'm gone. Do you know what I mean? So, and it was also, the problem was, number 1, the roots of the tree growing into the pipe, so it was causing a backlog, like a clog, because of the root. Number 2, the sink and the bathroom and the toilet are linked. I have now formed, like, I can't take a shit without water running, okay? Like, if I take a shit at a restaurant anywhere, I mean, restaurants are hard, but you know, some restaurants have a basin in the toilet. I need to have water running. I've developed this shit crutch because of the hotel days when I wasn't as comfortable. So I would open the shower, like have the water running, take a shit, flush, shower, and then by the time I come out, you know, obviously the smell has gone away, and maybe the bathroom smells like body wash and shower and stuff like that. So now, even though I'm comfortable, and even at my own home, even when I'm by myself, I can't take a shit without the water running. So because the toilet and the basin are linked, because the plumbing at my house is fucked, I would have the water running while doing this, and it would then...
Unfortunately, Paul doesn't have the syrup for the lavender smoke, but he says you should order something called a refresher. This one.
Is it good?
Yeah, he's confident about it.
Okay, I'll try it. Thank you. So now, when the water is running, because this is now my habit, I have to have the water running. Because the plumbing is fucked, it fills up it not always fills up in the toilet bowl, but it's fucking with the toilet, basically. Do you know what I mean? There were multiple factors working against me, is what I'm trying to say. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. So anyway, I can't stop imagining that scenario. It's horrible. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. My chin, I fell down the stairs yesterday, not because I was drunk, but because I tripped over someone's foot. Okay? Not to say I wasn't drunk, but it was not because I was drunk. Yo, I don't even know how long it took, because by the time I came back, like, I was away for work for like 3 days, and the plumbing happened on the day that I left. So by the time I came back, everything was sorted. But where's my lip oil? Oh my god, where is it? Oh, it's on my seat. I could have gotten a bad date at the pharmacy though. How much was a consultation? I think a consultation was 600, but because I also got a tetanus shot and everything, it came up to 1.3, because they glued, it's not just a band-aid, they glued it shut. And then obviously with medication, that was an extra cost, but they did glue it. So yeah. I don't know why my network just left for so long. Sorry. I thought it was because I was connected to the Wi-Fi here, but even when I disconnected, we're still together with the nigga. Lol. She said, I heard you back with you know who. I told her, girl, I'm always back with you know who. Not even back. Ish. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask me nonsense, basically. You know? Not grand for that. I love you so much. You're so cute. No. Listen. Like I said, a consultation is 600. This is not all that they did. Underneath, they used glue to close the wound. So it's not just like I went and paid $1,000 to be plastered up. 600 rand for a consultation. They glued my chin shut. They gave me a tetanus shot. So it came up to 1.3, which makes sense. It's only 400 plus 3, it's 700 rand more, which makes sense, like I said, for the glue and the injection. So, yo, I'm like, who are we kidding? You're 27, you're just being you. You're your father's child, but thank God you got some me in you. Honestly, I think I can't wait to maybe one day meet my dad, because I think him and I think once I meet him, I will understand a lot about myself. Like, my mom is such a, I hate to say this because the trend is starting to bore me as well. I won't lie, I'm one of those people that's like, oh my god, stop. But very demure, very mindful. My mom is one of those, my mom is a girly girl. She's an absolute lady. She, likes simple kind of like makeup, nails, hair, everything. She doesn't drink, and I understand she's older than me. It's like she drank at some point. But like, my mom is just, like I said, an absolute lady. I'm extremely rough around the edges. I'm very different from her in a lot of ways. And I'm like, maybe when I meet my dad, I'll understand. Like, I'll see more of myself in a parent. Do you know what I mean? Like, I honestly think that I will be like, oh, that's where I get it from. I can't stop laughing at the story you just told us. Because it's not funny. Is that where you got those gorgeous eyes from? Yeah. Got them from my dad. Only thing he's ever done for me, that lad. She was like, I don't care about the other scar. I want another one. Yeah, my chin definitely wanted another one. Anyway, guys, I have to join my Zoom. I just got WhatsApp being reminded to join my Zoom. So hopefully it's quick. I really hope it's like 30 minutes. I hope it's not like an hour or anything. But I will be back.